Hello everybody and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today I'm down at the allotment. This is the Monday after the storm that we had yesterday. You can see that the wind is still blowing and I've just come down really to do a few little bits and pieces. The main thing is to see if this polytunnel was still here. I let my cameraman, this is how it is now. Can see it's because it was put into the ground properly, then that's why it's still here. You can still see it's blowing around. Lift it up. Don't know if you can see all the metal and everything in there is just snapped. You can see, I don't know, I've never seen metal snap like that before. Let my cameraman come in more. All the metal in there, but I'm going to reuse this metal anyway for making some hoops or whatever I can use it for. I'm not going to let it go to waste, but I'm still waiting for these people to get back to me because I need to get a polytunnel. That's what's holding up what I'm doing now. Coming in to the allotment, I see a few people what's got their one damaged as well. So that's what's happening down here. Polytunnel just totally flat, but it's been through a few storms now, so it's still here. I thought it would have been gone or maybe ripped up more. I see a few people with their one ripped up. This shed what I put up, that's been through a few storms and that's still surviving pretty strong. So that was just one of them budget ones, greenhouses, but you can see it's holding up strong. But everything else is held up to the storm. I can see my garlic and that is still coming through. So hopefully now that the ground is thawed out a bit, the elephant garlic will come through. So what I'm going to do today now, got some bulbs what I wanted to put in a couple of pots, so that when I'll get everything sorted out, I've got things all done. So these are the pots. Just gonna empty them. You can see the dirt is pretty wet in there. Which is mostly koi what's in them and thing. So I'm going to be back with you in a minute. Right everyone, so what I've got a couple of pots, and what I want to do is put some daffodils in them. So just putting some soil in, some compost in there. Going to put some bloodfish and bone in each one and mix that in, because this is last year stuff. Then I'll top it up and then so you just want to mix some bloodfish and bone in. Going to top that up more. Right, so I'm going to top these up now, then mix in some more. So this is a mixture of compost and koi. It's got a bit of manure in there as well. what would come from the last time. So I'm just going to fill these up, and then when I've done that I'll be back with you. Right everyone, so I've got my compost in now, and then I've got my bulbs here. You can see they started to sprout already. Let my cameraman come in. If you've got the side ones, you can take those off, and you've got another plant there. So what I do when I'm planting in pots, I'll start from the middle and just push it down, and then you go around. You see some of these have got like 3 on them, so I just take these off. If they come, they come. If they don't, they don't. But you just put how many you want in there. I think there's meant to be 5 in here, but I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in already. So you just put them in. And when you're putting them in, always check that they're not rotten or anything. See, they're starting to sprout already, so they come through pretty quick. You can put in how many you want. I've got some peacock orchids here, what I'm going to be putting in with them. These are the peacock orchids. Going to put those in with them as well. Just going to put a few in each pot. So I hope everybody survived the storm. I hope it never caused too much damage. I see a bit of damage down here, but that's how it goes sometimes. You have to take the good with the bad. So with these peacocks orchids, you want to make sure that you've got the pointed end up. I'm just going to put some in bit on the outside. Just want to have a couple of nice displays to put out the front of the polytunnel when we finally get one up. So you can put in how many you want in a pot. So don't want to use up all of them because I want to put some in the other pot as well. So that's that. So I'm going to do this pot. Once I've done this pot, I'll be back with you. Right, so I'm just finishing up now, putting these peacock bulbs in. Then I've got those other ones there I want to try and put round the side. So hopefully we should have a nice display along the side. Because what I might have to do, I'm going to get some compost to put on top. Might have to use some of this as well, depending on how wide the polytunnel is. We've got a choice of a 2.3 meters wide one, which is 4 meters long, or I've got a choice of a 3 meter, which is 4 meters long as well. But still trying to work out how we're going to go about getting that sorted out. But hopefully once I've got everything in place, then you will see the progress. That's the only thing what's holding me up. Once we've done that, then once we sorted out the polytunnel, then everything else more or less should just go up, clear up and sort out the compost pile down at the back there. Need to sort that out, see if I can trim down those trees what's left. All that rubbish is still there. Don't know why they won't get a skip for this place so you can just get rid of your rubbish in one go, because there's so much rubbish around this allotment that people just leaving their rubbish on the plots and everything, and because they don't know where to put it. So and when you got all like pensioners and everything like that down there, it makes it harder. So I've done that. So what I'm going to do now, just a little sprinkling more of blood, fish and bone. And then I'm going to top these up with some more compost. So if you're liking our videos, you're liking what you're seeing, please remember to like, share and subscribe. Tell your friends to tell another friend as well. Hopefully this year, well, I have to say, if we get to sort out the polytunnel, you'll see a lot of new things what I want to plant this year for you to try as well. Remember, this channel is not just for me, I want it to be for everybody. Thanks for your comments. For those who are commenting, thank you for that. For those who's reached out to us, thanks for that as well. So I'm just covering this up. If there's anything that you want to see us do over the next planting this year, just reach out to me and let me know what it is. There's some things that I won't plant if we don't think they're viable for us to plant. If it's something that we know we're not going to use or not going to eat or something like that, then we won't plant it, because I don't see the point of growing things just for growing things' sake and taking up unnecessary space what you could be using. So that's our daffodils and that planted up. So I just got 2 pots. What I'm going to be putting at once we sort out things and they come through, then I'll know where to put them, whether it's in front of the shed on each side or if we get a polytunnel in the front. So I hope you enjoyed this video. It's just a short one. Like, share and subscribe, like I say. Leave your comments in the comment section. If there's anything, what you go out and you see anything and you want to know how it grows or anything like that, just drop us a line. If I can get hold of it, then I'll plant it and see. I've got some pumpkin seeds and some sugarcane seeds. If you email me or put a comment in the comment section that you would want some, then I can send you a way of getting it over to you. That I just charge a little small fee, which is just a postage fee, and the seeds in that are going to be free. So that's what I've got at the moment. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. Thank you.